Hi everyone, my name is Ratnavali and I am currently in the final year of my Masters in Clinical Psychology. I have started this YouTube channel with a simple goal to make psychology easy, interesting, and accessible for everyone. Whether you are a psychology student, a curious learner, or someone who just loves to understand the human mind better. On this channel, I will be guiding you through core topics in psychology like abnormal psychology, child psychology, various psychological disorders, substance abuse, psychological assessments, testings, case history taking, and how to do a proper mental status examination. I will also walk you through how to build rapport, how to conduct counseling sessions, how to use different psychotherapy techniques, and of course, explore major psychological theories in a simple and student friendly way. The best part, all the study material, notes, and PowerPoint presentation I use in my video will be shared with you. Just DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description and also in my bio. I also post psychological facts, mini tips, and extra content over there. So let's stay connected. Feel free to ask your doubts, send in questions, or just say hi. Your messages truly motivate me to keep creating valuable content for you all. New psychology videos will drop every week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. This channel is not just for psychology students. If you are someone who wants to understand emotions, manage stress, or simply become more aware of mental health and behavior, you are absolutely welcome here. And yes, if you are more comfortable in Hindi or want videos in both Hindi and English, just comment below or let me know on Instagram and I will make sure my videos are bilingual whenever possible. Let's learn, grow, and explore psychology together. Hit like, drop a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.